All right, it's Tuesday, November 25th. I'm buying some Coinbase 250 puts here at 912. This is here on the, it's the 5-minute chart out of the gates that kind of consolidated, broke out on bar 3. So I want to see if that 15-minute chart holds red and follows through lower to confirm the downtrend on the day. It's below the midpoint of the prior day after a little bit of a pullback to start the week. So, a little follow through turns the weekly chart back to red. And on this overall downtrend here, this was a little bit of a pullback that might, have another leg down to take out those lows again. So, on the daily chart, you could see here, we are about, if a little more follow through on this green, 2-up day, it becomes a 2-down day with a target to that pivot low. And in the big picture, after breaking through these lows down here, we still could be heading much lower to the bottom of the range until the weekly chart eventually turns up, which you can see it's red from last week. We're holding the midpoint of that bar so far, and you almost expect that low to be tested given the downward trend that's unfolding here. So until the weekly chart really turns up, I'm not going to get excited on the buy side, and I still think there's downside potential here with some of these targets. And right now, after day 2 turning red, we'd have to see if it fails to kind of hit our target and then gets back through the open to at least have it possibly starting green and maybe by the end of the week getting a 2-up week. But for now, the trend's still down. We're red after a 1 green day, and then opening price action at the moment on the 15-minute chart is heading lower. So I want to be aggressive and buy the puts here, and there's definitely targets below.